Hi everyone. So, do you like to know about hosting and how to select hosting? And if you are a beginner, then this is especially for you. Actually, this whole channel is for beginners so that they can get knowledge of digital marketing, which will help in this corona era to grow their business. So, if you like to know about hosting and how to select hosting, watch this complete video. After watching this complete video, you will able to choose which hosting is good for you. So I am Anuj Bharadwaj, your host, digital marketer and entrepreneur. So the very first question, what is hosting? Let us know it. Actually, hosting is a service. In this service, hosting provider provide you space in their server to store your data, and this data will available on your website for 24/7. Means whenever any visitor visit to your website, they will see that data that you have put in your website. Now, what is server? Server is also a system, a computer, but it has some specific facilities like 24/7 electricity, high speed internet, and many other facilities are there. So you can make server in your home also, but it is quite tough because you have to keep in mind many different facilities, which is not affordable for a beginner or a startup. So now let's move to the importance of hosting. It is very important. Why? As root is important for a tree. In the same way, hosting is important for website or online store. And if hosting service is not good enough, then it will of course tail over your business. So let's move to the kind of hosting. Which kind of hosting do you need? And at in the end of this video, I will tell you a trick. And if you are just a beginner, even a beginner, you can choose the perfect hosting company, a good hosting company for you. So let's continue the kind of hosting. The very first kind is shared hosting. Now, what is a shared hosting? Suppose hosting company give some space in same system to many people, then this is shared hosting. Its cost is affordable and it is for new businesses. Now, its capacity, it can handle a live traffic of 50 people, and if your website traffic is more than 50, it means your business is going to boom now. So in the beginning, it is enough shared hosting. Second is cloud hosting. Suppose your business is has grown up to a high extent, then you will need cloud hosting. Its capacity, it can handle traffic of 25,000 per month, which is a very high number. Then we have virtual private network. Now, what is a virtual private network? It is also a kind of hosting, but it is used by big companies like insurance companies, banks. Even if you are giving franchisee or you are going to give franchisee, you need VPN, virtual private network. What facilities do it provide? It provide you the facility to remain private the data to the each and every branch or franchisee. For example, if X branch in Y city want to access data of A branch of B city, he cannot access. Data is in the hosting, but This hosting is very smart, and this does not allow to open data of some other branches by some other branch. Hence, it is called virtual private network or VPN. Many times you see the branch, they can access their data, but they cannot access data of another branch or head office. Why? Because it is private network. However, hosting is same. Then there is dedicated hosting. Now, sorry, it's not dedicated hosting, it is dedicated server. If you have that server, you can provide hosting service to the people, but you have to keep in mind those specific facilities. Now, one more hosting is remaining. It is used by professionals to give value addition to their services. That is, we call it reseller hosting. It is same to shared hosting, but they can provide upgradation to you in the same way the hosting company provide. Actually, it is a white label hosting, and people buy it from hosting company, and they give monthly or annual charges for that, and they will provide service to you. Direct company will not provide, but company will provide support to them, but they are also customer of their company. So many times you have seen that some people offer free hosting with SSL certificate, hosting in 50 rupees for a whole year. This is a strategy to acquire customers. One more kind of hosting is there about which you are aware but never have given focus on it. That is Google Drive. Yes, this is a hosting, free hosting provided by Google. Actually, it is not free, it is free up to some limit, but you can host a website over this. So, till now, you have understood about the hosting. Now, about the trick. Suppose you are not aware, you are not familiar with hosting, you are just a new entrepreneur. What shall you do? Take monthly subscription of hosting and see the performance of hosting. If it is satisfactory, then continue for the annual price or migrate to another hosting. But of course, do analysis to select a good hosting. And during the trial, during the 1 month package, don't invest much on your website. Just see that hosting is good enough or not. Otherwise, migrate to another hosting. And do not make mistake to buy cheap hosting services, because it will be very costlier for you and your business. So I solemnly request you to take good hosting service for you. Now, what I recommend TMD web hosting. This hosting is good enough, and it have a 60-day money back guarantee. Right now 40% discount is on shared hosting. So if you want, you can get this hosting. This is a Florida based company, and its hosting service is quite good. Hence, if I had 60-day money back guarantee, all companies cannot provide a 60-day money back guarantee. And even after my recommendation, if your budget is low and still you want to open a website for your business, then you can get Hostinger service. Its shared hosting is just 0.99 cent. Link of both the hosting, the affiliate link of both the hosting is provided in the description. If you like, you can get it, and if you are not faithful, you can take monthly trial. So thank you very much for listening me, and I think The knowledge which I have provided will help the beginners especially to get good hosting company and to get more details, more help about the digital marketing. Like and subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, if you want consultancy, you can ask in the comment section. I will give you reply definitely. So that's all for today. We will meet on some other topic on another video again. Till then,